好，各位同學睇下 DSE Physics 啊，2024年嘅第27條啊。A coil of radius 2cm 啦，is placed inside 一個 square 嘅 region of uniform 嘅 magnetic field pointing out of paper as shown。OK，咁啊，而家見到幅圖咁嘅樣啦嚇，咁就有個 coil 擺咗喺呢個中間啦。OK，係一個 point out of paper 嘅 B field 裏邊。跟住啦，呢度就話 magnetic field decrease uniformly。OK，from 個 string 係5個 Tesla 去到3個 Tesla in 0.8個 second。What is the magnitude of the EMF induced in the coil？OK，咁你 coil 裏邊佢嗰個 induced EMF 幾大？好，咁啊，induced EMF 點揾啊？OK，induced EMF 咧就應該係計翻佢 delta flux over delta t 嘅，OK，咁跟住delta flux，咁啊 delta flux 即係咩啊？delta flux 即係話有個 B 成個 A 嘅改變啊，OK，而今次 OK 呢個 coil 啊，基本上就係佢成個圈畫得住嘅 ray 嘅嗰個 A area。OK， 都係唔變噶啦，會變嗰個咩？會變嗰個就係個 B field string 嚟嘅。咁所以個 area 基本上可以抽翻出嚟，就淨係睇翻個 delta B 咁就可以啦。好，delta B 呢度講啦，佢係 decrease uniformly 嘅。OK，佢 decrease uniformly，咁啊由5個 Tesla 去到3個 Tesla，所以啦，佢呢度嘅改變應該係5減3啦。應該話3減5啦，準確少少嘅話就係，OK，準確少少3減5就應該係負2。呢個改變嘅 Tesla 除翻用嘅時間係0.8個 second。咁呢個基本上就係個 delta B over delta T。好，跟住乘翻嘅就係佢個 area，佢畫住咗嗰個 B field 嘅 area 嘅，但係咧就係呢一個圈啦。咁圈大細啦，圈圓形嘅大細，咁即係 pi r square，所以乘翻個 pi，乘翻嘅就係2cm 嘅 square，0.02呢個數字 square。OK，好啦，咁所以剩低嘅就係撳一撳機啦。好，撳呢個機咧就應該係揾到係呢一個3.14乘以10嘅負3次咁多伏啊。OK，咁呢度加埋應該準確少少，有埋負號俾佢添啦。係啦，咁不過咧其實就係我哋嗰個induced EMF 嗰個方案即係我哋預過要寫得真係好準確。其實呢個會負號嘅anyway， 咁唔係好緊要嘅啫，因為我哋都唔係好考慮正負方向嘅，係呢一個計 EM 嘅呢啲嘅 induced EMF 裏邊，我哋淨係計個 magnitude 出嚟咁剩低嗰啲係方向性嘅問題，我哋就用翻啲 left hand rule 啊、right hand rule 啊、grid rule 啊之類嗰啲咧去揾翻個方向就得㗎啦。好，咁所以咧呢度揾到嘅就係 C 呢一個啦。